Understanding, Depend on Patronage, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases, focusing on what it means to depend on patronage. This phrase can unlock numerous doors in understanding English context, especially in business, art, and everyday conversation. Let's explore together. To truly grasp the meaning, it's crucial to understand each component of the phrase. Depend refers to requiring support or assistance from someone or something in order to function or succeed. Patronage, on the other hand, is the support, encouragement, privilege, or financial aid that an organization or individual receives from a patron, a person who gives financial or other support. When we combine these terms, to depend on patronage means to rely on the support or backing of someone else, often for financial reasons, but it can also encompass general support or endorsement. 1. Art and culture. Artists and museums often depend on patronage from wealthy individuals or institutions to fund their work and exhibitions. This support allows them to focus on their creative processes and contribute to cultural development. 2. Business ventures. Startups and new businesses may depend on patronage in the form of investments or endorsements from established figures in the industry. This kind of support can be crucial for their growth and success. 3. Public services. Libraries, parks, and educational programs sometimes depend on patronage from government bodies, private donations, or community support to operate and serve the public. Understanding the concept of patronage is vital because it highlights the interconnectedness of society and the economy. Patronage can shape industries, influence cultural trends, and support community services. It shows us the value of support systems and the impact they have on fostering innovation, creativity, and social welfare. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, depend on patronage, and its significance in various aspects of life. Remember, English is a doorway to understanding not just language, but culture, economy, and society at large. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.